Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video but I find it very interesting, answering a question that you have left me, in relation to a video I made about chain failure sound distribution in an Opel 1600 CDTI engine. Due to a defective tensioner, someone has written that the timing chain sounds in the engine of his car. But only for a few seconds. I have also seen other comments that you have made that it only sounded to you when starting the engine, and I have also seen some comments in other videos, in which you said that when changing the brand of engine oil, the timing chain rang. If it happens to you when changing the engine oil, refill the oil that you used before, because sometimes, even if it is the same viscosity, the oils can have different additives. Therefore, my advice is that you go back to the oil that you used before, because in those seconds, it may be enough. In fact, we have had engines that started to ring for only a few seconds, and those seconds were enough for the timing chain to come off and the engines will be damaged. Both these 1600 CDTI engines and BMW N47 engines. So if this happens to you, don't wait and check with your workshop trustworthy, because we're talking about several thousand euros of damage if the engine is damaged, and I already say that 1 or 2 seconds is enough for the chain to come off when it is slack, just as it would happen to a normal chain of a bicycle or a motorbike, which can get out. The same thing here. The hydraulic tensioner fails and this can happen to you. Be careful with these things. Well, here I leave you this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.